How to reset sound settings on Windows 11. So if you want to reset sound settings on your Windows 11, then first you need to search for settings, open up your settings. Once you're here, go with system and then go with sound. Under sound, you will have volume mixer. So here you will have your volume mixer. Just click on volume mixer. Now here on the bottom right, you will have reset. Just go with reset all settings for third-party apps and pre-install programs to their default. If you were facing audio input or output issues with either of these apps, then they should now be fixed on your PC. Now, second method is to restart your Windows audio services. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the start menu, and here you need to search for services. After that, click on open, and here you need to find Windows audio service, which is right here. Now right click on the same and click on restart, which is right here. You just need to simply go and restart your service. Now repeat the above steps to restart the Windows audio endpoint builder, which is right here. Windows audio endpoint builder. Do the same thing for this also. You need to go and restart, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't, then the third method is to reset system sounds to default sound. You need to press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the start menu. From the start menu, you need to search for change system sound. Click on it, which will take you to the control panel. Now you need to select the downwards arrow in the sound scheme and select Windows Default. After selecting your Windows Default, you need to click on Apply and then OK, and this might fix your problem. So these were the solutions to reset your sound settings on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.